Hey guys, I'm very happy to be with you for this video. If you're watching this video, probably you are planning to grow your business online this year. You know that digital and online marketing is going to be something important for a business strategy. So I want to give you some tips and some advice just to let you know that online marketing don't have to be necessarily something complicated or difficult to develop or to implement. That's why we have developed this simple framework, the Future Buzz framework, that will allow you, if you want to have a simple online but yet that gives result to build your growth online, then this is for you. So the Buzz, it's very easy and simple to use. You just need to look at the framework and fill in and follow the steps. It looks very simple, but you have to trust the process. That's very important, and then you will see the results. Online marketing don't have to be very complicated. What this framework does is, first, of course, you need to understand your product, what you're selling, the features. You need to define the different features and then convert it, what we call, into benefits. Benefits, it's simply what this will do for your customers. Don't talk in terms of features, talk in terms of benefits. And then you need to understand your audience. That's also very important, where they are hanging online, where your audience are and where you can find them. This is what is digital. Digital is the channels. When you understand where they are, you can better know how you can reach them and which channels you're going to use to reach them. So this is the part where I'm talking 6-7 about the channels and the digital part. And then very important, number 9 is your funnel. You need to tell yourself your audience. Are they people that knows about your product or the problem or the solution, or they searching? If they're searching, the reply can be very simple. Then you need to target them on the search engine, on Google, for example, doing SEO or PPC ads. So that's very simple. And then you have what you need to tell them. So the Buzz spot is all about these 4 elements: your branding, your product, your content, what you need to tell them, the channels, and then where you will redirect them on your website or a landing page. So if you follow these steps, it will help you develop this strategy. But the purpose of it, once again, is to grow and to increase your sales online. It's a sales-focused approach because online marketing has different objectives. You can do awareness or other objectives. So this one is a sales-focused approach that will help you increase your sales and generate more leads online. And as a bonus, you will see on the second page, guys, I have given you also a guide. I have often this question, how I'm going to develop a budget strategy, how much I must invest into my online digital marketing campaigns. So this is very simple framework that will help you decide for your budget. It's simple. If you're planning, for example, to sell, let's say, 1,000 products per year, you can calculate if your average conversion rate is 2%, that would probably means you will have to bring about 20,000, for example, visits per year. And then you can break it down, and then you can calculate your cost per clicks. If you need so many visits, how many it will cost you for 1 click? If for average it will cost you about $4 to have 1 click, then you would need approximately $5,000 for your budget. It's as simple as that. Then it will show you also, based on your revenue, on your product revenue, the margin that you're making, how much you can invest into your product budget. You first define your budget, and then based on the budget that you have defined, you can invest in online marketing. It will help you calculate how much you can expect in terms of sales or leads. So if you need any help, just let me know, send me an email or comment on this video. I'll be very happy to help you or to connect with you. If you haven't downloaded the framework yet and you're watching this video, in the description, you can click and download the framework and get it and then take a look at it. Thank you very much, guys. I hope it helps you. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.